Okay, I'm going to be doing swings, and if he wants to join, he can. We're going to be having lots of fun, and some of this stuff you do not want to try at home unless you can do it. Okay, so we're going to get started on doing stuff. I don't know what stuff we're going to do. We're going to jump off. We're going to be crazy. You know, I recommend little kids do not do this unless they're 5 years old, 6 years old or above. Woo! Did you guys see that? Jump off my shoe.
It looks like a black over there. It looks like a black
So we're going to kind of mess around and stuff. Woo! I got a pocket knife.
Oh, that is not.
Fun! Hey, don't get me all the way from that!
That is not cool. Just look up while screaming.
Yeah. Look, you guys should do this. Pause the video and do this for a little bit. It does not look cool.
Well, it does not feel cool.
Now do this.
It looks cool, just doesn't feel cool. God, that's dangerous.
Okay, I'm gonna get on my feet. My eyes are gonna be closed. Wait, guys, try this. Close your eyes. Imagine you're on a hill, on top of the hill. If you want. Holy crap, that is pretty. Or a skyscraper. Okay, now I'm going to jump off with my eyes closed. Ready? I'm going to literally
Your
jump
eyes
off.
aren't closed.
What?
Your eyes aren't closed.
And I'm going to pretend that I'm on a skyscraper. It feels like you're actually falling down forever.
But close your eyes before you jump.
Yeah. Okay, so once I hit 0, I'm going to do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ah! Oh. 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 I saw about a billion stories of it. Blah, blah, blah. Whatever. Oh. Officially, my brother Joseph cannot ride the 4-wheeler on the road. So I'm going to try to get on my bike and go take a video while I'm biking. So I'm going to pause the video, which is going to be for a second for you guys, okay? Okay. I cannot find my bike yet. Hey, can you help me find my bike? Hey guys, look where my bike is. Right there. Right there. Now give me a sec. Okay, I found my bike. As you saw, this is it. It's pretty cool. Green. I like it. So I'm gonna get started on this. Okay, we're gonna start driving our bikes. Oh, I better get on this road right now. Go, go, go!
Daisy, run! Run, Daisy, run! That's not cool.
Okay, my brother Joseph's psychotic. That's not cool. He almost crashed my tablet. I'm gonna run. Holy.
Go put that up high.
I'm not doing it while you're driving.
Huh?
You're freaking driving. I don't like it.
What?
You're freaking driving like a psycho.
Go put your bike up if you're done with it.
Only if you stop driving.
Now, go put it up.
Give me a second. My brother Joseph is very obnoxious and I don't like it. He says this was loud. Isn't that right, Daisy? Yeah, it is right. She's scared of me now. So, that was my video for today. And please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. I only got about 3 subscribers. It's sad. And one more. Please, and I mean please. Sorry, I'm a little tired from running away. Please leave a like to this video. I would really enjoy it if you do. If we hit 20 likes, I will do a Rocks and Minerals video that, as you can see, I got a whole bunch more, especially this. Slayton. We have this. It's actually pretty. You can't see it. We got this colorful one. And then I got a whole bunch of this. Can any of you guess what this is? I'm going to give you 5 seconds to guess what this is. Starting now. Okay, can't guess it? It's called a Thunder Egg. Thunder Eggs are awesome. We got this type of Thunder Egg. As you can see, it's still a Thunder Egg, but it's actually red. So, that's the end of my video. Please subscribe, and if we hit 20 likes, I'm going to do that. If we hit 1,000 likes, that's going to be my golden like. And if you do that, I will personally do a Pokemon one. As you can see, I got a whole new Pokemon poster from last video. After last video. The next day after that. So, please subscribe and hit that 1,000 like button. Thank you very much. Sorry if that's a little dark. I'm going to love it if you do this. Now, goodbye.